We're back here doing another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Proline Badlands wheels and tires. And this is going on the, before we unbox it, this is going on the Traxxas Xmaxx 8S. And we've been tearing up the tires pretty good, so we need some new traction and some more hardcore. So yeah. So here's the unboxing. And yes, I did unbox it already because when we were over at Proline purchasing these, we're just so excited that we wanted to know how big they work, size comparison and stuff like that. And this video is not sponsored. So let's just get into the unboxing. So first, they give you a little pamphlet that shows the Badlands and the Xmaxx and stuff. So on the inside, they just show you the inside of what they look like and the Xmaxx and stuff like that. So let's get into the unboxing. So you got 2 sets, and let's open these guys up. So we'll show you a little size comparison on what they look like. So here's what they are, and they got some really good traction to it. So I'll show you guys a size comparison. So they're almost the same size, they're a little bit bigger, and I really like the way that the beadlocks look. And so these are really nice. So we got 2 sets. And these would be really good for when you're doing jumps and stuff like that, and they're gonna look really awesome on here. So that's what they look like. And then I got 2 more of them here. So and then I give you some little stickers that are popping out. But I just wanted to show you guys what they look like, and I think that they're really awesome, and they're gonna look really good on the Xmaxx. And so we're gonna later on I'll probably do a little test of them. So we're gonna, once we put them on here, we'll show you guys a test drive of them and how dirty it is that they get and stuff like that. And yeah. And when we were over there, Proline was so awesome and so nice that they gave us a couple sets of stickers. So gotta love the people that make stuff with these RC cars. unboxing of the Proline tires and stuff like that. So I'll see you next time, YouTube, and don't forget to be awesome.